Here's an update on the 1953 General Electric 25J2 cast iron exchanger furnace. I've put this White Rogers control on here. It didn't have one, so I put that on there. I just finished cleaning the blower wheel. Put a motor on it. Belt's nice and tight. So let's give it a test run after the clean blower wheel. Get the camera set up. That was a bad idea. It's got crap everywhere. All the dirt from the squirrel cage just blew up out of it. Covered the whole thing. Well, I guess that's the end of the video. So, thanks for watching.